Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you all once again. Today's date is 1st January 2026. We are here to react on an important video or information. Some of you know Ambazonia. You know what Ambazonia represents. You know that they're actually looking for their freedom, just like Biafrans are looking for their own freedom as well. And Ambazonians are, engaging Cameroonian government just to free themselves. And for years now, they have been battling and facing Cameroonian government squarely just to free themselves. And Norwegian government decided to take in their leader to arrest him, Chu Ayaba. Chu Ayaba is the guy or the man that stood with PM, okay, in the first convention that took place before the redeclaration of Biafran government in 2024. Before then, a year before, there's a convention, if you can remember, right? Where the charter and constitution was adopted. You remember? Chu Ayaba was there. Okay? He was there. In fact, he's a very good friend to PM Simon Ekpa. They work hand in hand. Remember, they also have their own differences in their own government, in their own country. In Ambazonia movement, freedom movement, they have their own Ndikwe and Dekwe. That is not a fact. I have listened to one of them. I laughed. Why? Because it reminds me of some people in the Biafra movement. Those who want to tell you, okay, say Mia. The guy was bashing on Chu Ayaba, insulting Chu Ayaba. Typical black people. It's common though, even white, they have this kind of people that will disagree with everything you're doing. Even though they cannot do that, they don't have any plan, but their own is to criticize. I'm not here to talk about it. I'm here to share something with you. Please do me a favor, like this video, because this video is going to remind us something. If you are following what is going on between Ogenkere, CRC, and autopilot, renewed autopilot, and people that want to go on the ground and what have you. Some group called CRC and one called, is it BAT or BAT? I don't know. They team up together that they have to form their own country, and they migrated from fallback to that brigade of Madabo and all that. They told us that PM often talked to them. PM shared some information to them. PM approached them just to talk to them and all that. But the Chu Ayaba, in other hands, are addressing his people, from time to time. Nobody have generated AI of Chu Ayaba to deceive their people. Dr. Chu Ayaba's video is real as anything. The picture you're seeing here is Chu Ayaba, and this is him sending message from prison. New Year message for that matter. And there's something he said that he don't have any phone. That we are not gonna hear from him often time because I don't have any phone. I'm not with the phone, and I don't have any internet access. But oftentimes, very, very oftentimes, CRC, Mamadabu Group and Eggman will come up and tell you that PM is talking to us this day. Okay, you may say, but different countries, but they are all in Europe. Both countries, Finland and in Norway, are both in Europe. Now, Chu Ayaba says something very, very important. You know what? Let's go to that. Let's go to the post. But don't forget to like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. Please, very, very, very important. I'm going to start with the write-up. Okay? I think it will make more sense for you to hear or read it with me. Breaking news. The president of Ambazonia has addressed the nation from a prison in Norway. This comes at a time when the liberation leader reacted to Israel recognition of Somaliland as an independent country, describing it as a courageous decision that respects the humanity and sovereignty of the people of Somaliland. It is worth noting that Ambazonia gained independence. It is worth noting that Ambazonia, noting, not noting, it is worth noting that Ambazonia gained independence from Britain in 1961 before what it described as an invasion by Cameroon. This invasion led to a conflict that has now become ongoing for 9 years. Conflict that has now been ongoing for 9 years, meaning that Ambazonia are facing Cameroonian government squarely for 9 years now, for complete 9 years, my people. Biafra and Ambazonia in our blood. I'm happy. This is our brother Cameroonians, God forbid. Ambazonians are not just a brother, but a brother that have the understanding. I love this write-up because the same thing that COS did, the DPM, Dr. Rabeze, appreciating Somaliland for standing tall and appreciating Israel for taking this bold step for betterment of everybody, even the West, even the Israelis. So humanity is not something that one will claim alone, because once this person is okay, believe you me, you'll be okay. But if you think that causing war and ignoring the threat, you are actually playing with your own security, with your own safety. This write-up is not just mere talk. The video of Chu Ayaba talking to his people is here. I want you to pay close attention to that so that you could hear everything he said without missing any words. So let's go there and hear that from Dr. Chu Ayaba.
My fellow Ambazonian soldiers, Happy New Year to all of you and your families.
Start from the beginning.
My fellow Ambazonian soldiers, Happy New Year to all of you and your families. This is Dr. Chu Ayaba. Happy New Year, families of our fallen UK. Thank you all for the sacrifices you have and continue to make for our motherland, Ambazonia. We will never ever forget the sacrifices you have made and continue to make for our country. The more than 9 million of us Ambazonians owe our honor, our respect and recognition today, thanks to the sacrifices that you have made and the sacrifices that your families have made. I don't have a phone, so you may not hear from me that often. I don't have access to the internet.
Did you hear that? I don't have a phone, so you will not be hearing from me often. I don't have internet access. Listen. So I'm saying it because of, PM will call us today. PM is it? No. It doesn't work that way. Listen.
So if you don't hear from me that often, understand the circumstances. I want to re-emphasize all Amazonian soldiers and army that our country is at war against fascist system that insists we have to die, go to jail, or be in exile. But I want to assure all of you that independence you will get, because only cowards live to script and amplify the enemy's narrative, and we aren't cowards. I want to assure all Ambazonians and Ambazonian soldiers that very soon at the hillside, looking almost will hide there will close a luxurious right over Ambazonians' freedom square. This is not a dream. It is a mission of this generation. And by your sacrifices, the blood of our people spilled. It is a mission we must fulfill in honor of the thousands of our civilians who have been murdered by Cameroon, the hundreds of commanders who have been killed, the thousands who languish in the jails of Cameroon. I ask all Ambazonian brigades in the territory to train every Ambazonian above 18 to operate a rifle, even if they don't have one. Our country is a terrible enemy, but this generation has shown by its resilience that this enemy will bow. This enemy will go down on its knees for the crime he has committed against our people in the last 65 years. Those in Cameroon who want peace and justice, we are ready as a people, anytime, anywhere. Those who want our blood, our liberty, and our land, oh, you will get. Happy New Year. God bless you all.
Did you hear the message? Chu Ayaba is calling Ambazonian leaders as of today, those that are not in the prison, to start training Ambazonian youth that is from 18 years above on how to operate rifle. That part honestly caught my attention because he understood the message. He's there for his people, and he's not alone. That's why he said that many of them in prison in Cameroon. There was a time they're also in prison in Nigeria. I don't know if they have freedom or they're still there. Our own people are busy creating fake information, fake narrative. If PM want to address Biafrans, why must it be in a very small circle of people, and they are doing it as if that is a taboo? Chu Ayaba is here speaking like this from prison. I would like to hear from you to know what you think about it, because how can you justify this? How? Oh no, don't talk about it. No, PM, they will jail him the more. Oh, come on. Hear him. Hear Chu Ayaba. Straight ahead. Did you hear anybody talking about? Even if you just look at him, you can see that truly he's in prison. A video. But Imam Madabo and Co are releasing audio, and once they release that audio, they don't bother to talk about what happened, about anything anymore. They just keep quiet, slack back, and listen to people's reaction, because the reaction determines the next one that we're gonna move to. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. Chu Ayaba addressing Ambazonia on a special day, New Year Day, and pass the message of hope to Ambazonia, of course, somehow by extension to Biafrans. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Happy New Year. Take care of yourself. Bye.